Good morning, students. Today our topic is software, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about different types of software, especially application software. We already discussed system software in our previous lecture. So first of all, what is software? Software represents a set of programs that govern the operation of a computer system and makes the hardware run. Or we can say that in simple words, software are the logical entities in a computer systems. Again, software can be classified into two categories: system software and application softwares. So system software are those software which are basically designed to fulfill the task of a computer system. That's why they are called the system software. And second is application software. One more thing, software, we can say that software is a collection of programs also. And what is program? Program is nothing but only a collection of instructions. So collection of instruction is called the program, and collection of program is called the software. And in simple words, we can say that software represents a set of programs that govern the operation of a computer system and make their hardware run. So now let us talk about the application software. What is application software? Application software is a set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified application. For a specified application. The application software is a set of programs necessary to carry out operations for a specified applications. And again, application software can further be subdivided into three basic categories. These are general purpose application software, specific purpose application software, and customized software, also known as bespoke software. So these are the different types of application softwares. So basically, application software are the set of programs, or we can say that application software are those software who carried out operations for a specified application, or who fulfill the task of a user in particular area, or in a particular, or for a particular application. So three different types are there: general purpose application software, specific purpose application software, customized software. Now, what is general purpose application software? General purpose application software, sometimes known as off the shelf, off the shelf, off the shelf, and this is the sort of the software that you use at the home and school. And general purpose application software is a type of application that can be used for a variety of tasks, and it is not limited to one particular function. And such type of general purpose application softwares are word processing software, spreadsheet, database management systems, graphics, multimedia, and presentation applications. So these are the different types of general purpose application software. In short, we can say that general purpose application softwares are basically fulfill the general purpose of a particular user, and that are designed for such type of applications that are generally used in our daily life, or such as a word processing software is a general purpose application software, a spreadsheet, database management systems. So these are not for a specific purpose, but these are fulfill the task for a general purpose. So that's why they are called the general purpose application software, and they are also known as off the shelf application software, and they are mostly used at home and school. These are the general purpose application software. Word processing software. So what is word processing software? As the name suggests, a word processor is an application program that allow entering, editing, formatting, and printing text. So a word processor is an application program that allows entering, editing, formatting, and printing text. And some popular word processors are WordPerfect, ABWord, Free. So these are the word processing software. So in short, we can say that word processing software are those software who processed on work or processed on word. Uh, and when we talk about the processed on word, then it means that they are able to enter the text. They are able to we can edit a text. By using that word processing software, we can also format the text. We can and we are able to create a text also. These are the word processing softwares. And types of software are WordPerfect, AAB Word, etc. So these are the word processor. Next is electronic spreadsheet. An electronic spreadsheet is a program that accepts the data in a tabular form and allows user to manipulate, calculate, analyze data in a desired manner. And some examples of spreadsheet packages are Lotus 123, Excel, OpenOffice.org, .clc, and next is Quattro Pro, Google Docs. So these are the basically in electronic spreadsheet, data is arranged in the forms of rows and columns in which we can enter our data, and we are also able to calculate the results in by using the formula, such as we can also calculate the sum of particular row or a column, or we are able to find out average, minimum. Suppose if we want to enter a data in a electronic spreadsheet for a particular class, then we are able to find out the minimum marks, maximum marks, average marks, percentage of marks. This type of detail we can easily access by applying a formula in MS Excel. So this is the basic purpose of electronic spreadsheet. So electronic spreadsheet basically is a program that accepts data in the tabular form. It means in the forms of rows and columns, and we are able to manipulate, calculate, or even analyze data in a desired manner. We are able to find out the data in the forms of bars, charts. Means we can easily analyze the data, and we apply different formulas. We can apply different formulas in MS Excel. So this is the basic purpose of electronic spreadsheet. And MS Excel is a part of MS Office. So MS Excel is a program given in MS Office software. And another open source software is an open office.org is a open source software. Next is presentation software. The software that can create professional looking visual ads is called presentation graphics software. And presentation graphics software provide predefined background and sample layouts to assist in the creation of computer driven slide shows, which is in combination with a data projector. So these are called the presentation software. We can see that using presentation software we are able to present our data in a very good looking way. So they are called the presentation software. One of the most common presentation software is PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, which is a program, and it is a part of MS Office. Next is database management software. So three important terms are there. First of all, data, database, and database management software. First of all, what is data? Data is nothing but only the raw facts, figures, statics is called the data. And database is nothing but only the collection of interrelated data is called the database. And database management software is a software that manages the database. That is called the database management software. So these are three terms interrelated to each other. Data is a collection of data is a raw facts, figures, statics, images that can be inserted into computer system. Then database is a collection of interrelated data, and database management software is a software that manages the database. Means we are able to manipulate, calculate, or analyze data using database management software. So these are the 2 points here. First of all, Database refers to a collection of logically related data. Second is a DBMS is a computer program or a collection of a computer programs that provides necessary tools to create and manipulate the data in the database. And such type of database are openoffice.org, MS Access, and Oracle. These are the different types of these are the different database packages. Some other database packages are MySQL, SQL Server. These are the some other DBMS. So these are the general purpose application software. Again, you can see that application software are those software that are necessary to carry out operation for a specified application, and this can be divided into three basic categories: general purpose, specific purpose, and customized software. So here we already discussed about general purpose application software. So general purpose application software, also known as off the shelf software, that are basically used as home and school, and these are again divided into there are four different examples of general purpose application software. These are word processing software, spreadsheet, database management system, and graphics, multimedia, and presentation applications. So first of all, word processing software is an application program that allows entering and editing, formatting, and printing text, known as WordPerfect, AviWord. Microsoft Word is also an example of word processing software. The second is electronic spreadsheet. So electronic spreadsheet is a program that accepts data in a tabular form, means in the forms of rows and columns. We are able to enter the data in the forms of rows and columns. And example of electronic spreadsheet are Excel, OpenOffice.clc Calc, and these are the, Google Docs Online is also an example of electronic spreadsheet. Next is presentation software. The software that can create professional looking visual ads is called the presentation graphic software. Example is Microsoft PowerPoint. And last is DBMS. So that software which basically manage a database, or called the database management software, and we are able to create a database using database management software, and we are also able to add it we are also able to manipulate the data using a database management software. And some popular database management software are MS Access. MS Access is a part of MS Office, OpenOffice.org base, and Oracle. Now, specific purpose application software. So the specialized application packages are generally not available in shops, and they often have to be purchased directly from the manufacturer or a specialist firm. That's why they are called the specific purpose application software, because they fulfill some specific purpose that is not generally available in shops. And these applications are designed to be used for specific tasks such as company payroll, stock control system, appointment system, e-commerce site, etc. And the application have not been written for a specific company. They have been developed by a manufacturer to try to provide all the features that they anticipate a company need. So they are not designed for a specific company, but they are designed for a specific purpose, to provide all the features that are anticipated company needs regarding to a company payroll, stock control system, appointment system, or e-commerce site. These are called the specific purpose application software. So example of a specific purpose application software. First one is accounting management software, and it is used various financial applications such as general ledger, account payable, account receivable, fixed assets, budgeting, project accounting, spend management. So these are the different types of accounting management software. Next is reservation systems. These softwares are used for reserving tickets for railways or airways, and also for movies, events, etc. That are called the reservation systems. So, two important specific purpose application software: accounting management software that manages um, general ledger accounts or account receivable assets related to budgeting, and second is reservation system, which are used for uh, ticket reservation regarding to railways or airways, or regarding to any movie or event. Next is HR management softwares. So a human resource management software, or we can say that HRMS, is a software application that combines many human resources functions, including payroll, recruiting and training and performance analysis and review onto one package. So these are called the HR management softwares. And next is inventory control systems. Inventory management software helps to create invoices, purchase orders, printing, payment receipts, and more. So these are called the inventory control systems. HR means human resource. So human resource management softwares. Next is so these are the different types of specific purpose application softwares. Basically, four different types are there. Accounting management software, used for use of purpose for accounting, such as to create a general ledger, or want to find out fixed assets, project accounting, spend management. These are all are done by accounting management software. Reservation system, as the name suggests, are used for reservation purpose. For example, in terms of this is used for bus reservation, train reservation, and flight booking is flight ticket booking is also done by reservation systems, and also they are used for movies and events. And next is HR management software, human resource management software. So human resource management software basically manages the data regarding to the human resource, or we can say that employee of a particular firm or organization, such as payroll, um, and recruiting and training, their salary, their DAT. So into one package, these all tasks can be done. So these are called the HR management software. Next is inventory control system. So these are the basically management software that help create invoices, purchase orders, printing, payment, receipts, and more. These are called the inventory control system, and all these are called the specific purpose application software because they are not generally used in our daily life and not generally used by everyone. Such in case of the general purpose software that are generally used by in basically home offices and schools. So they are designed for a specific purpose, such as the HR management or inventory control, and they are not designed for a particular customer. They are designed for a particular or specific application. So they are called the specific purpose application software. Now our last topic is customized software. Customized software is also called as tailor-made software because they are designed for the user requirement, or we can say that they are designed for a particular user. So they are called the customized, or we can say that bespoke software, or sometimes it is also called the tailor-made software because they are designed for a particular user. Remember that general purpose application software designed for a general purpose, a specific purpose, some specific purpose are there, but customized software is according to the user, or we can say that according to particular user. So next point is this type of software is developed to meet all the requirement specified by the users, and this is also known as tailor made or bespoke software. So three different names are there: customized, tailor made, or bespoke softwares. And one more thing that is very important: customized or bespoke software is designed to meet all the requirements specified by the user. Next is advantages. So the company will get the exact software that they need. That is the first advantage of customized or bespoke software. Second is the software will work exactly how they want to work. Next is disadvantage. It takes a long time to develop such a system, between a few months to a year, and it costs a great deal of money to develop such a system. The company may need to employ a team of people such as business analysts, programmers, testers, etc. So these are the basic disadvantages of using a customized software. First of all, long time. Second is uh, higher cost, and third is it requires uh, required um, programmers, testers, such type of um, professionals to design a customized software. So these are the three basic disadvantages of a customized software. Now you can see the diagram of customized software. Basically, you can see here that customized software is a bespoke software, and it is a type of application developed especially to suit a particular business or an organization to fulfill its specific business centric requirement. And customized software is generally designed for a single client or a group of client, means customers, who decides what kind of functionality and processes the software should possess. Now you can easily see that is customer software development process, or sometimes we can also know it as a software development life cycle. So life cycle starts from planning phase here. That is a life cycle. First of all, we plan for a particular software, or we can say that customized software. What are the exact, we want to find out what are the exact need of a customer, and then we go to for a feasibility study, that whether that particular software is feasible or not. So there are different types of feasibility studies, such as technical feasibility related to technical problems, and economical feasibility, whether that particular software, um, whether a particular cost technical feasibility. Then second is cost feasibility and time feasibility. These all types of feasibilities are there. So regarding to the cost, regarding to the time, and regarding to the budget, they are feasible or not, we can find out these details using the feasibility study. Then only after that, we plan for a software, and different plannings are there, and tasks are allotted to different persons, and there is a SRS report. So the full form of the SRS is Software Requirement Specification Report, which exactly contain the requirement for a particular software, and that is a part of the planning phase also. After that, when the planning phase is complete, there is an analysis, and detailed analysis is there. So when we analyze that data in detail, and after that we go to the design phase, in which basically we the design the software, basically make the layout of the software in the design phase. So in design phase, flow chart of the data, and basic structure of the um, basic look and feel of the software can be designed in this phase. And after that, there is a phase of implementation, means means now we are trying to implement that software, or we can say that coding is done in the implementation phase. So we write a code for that particular software. After fulfill the after complete the coding, then there is another phase that is called the testing. So testing is nothing but only the find out the details, find out whether the software run in all circumstances or not. Basically, we can say that testing is a process to find out the errors in a program. In a program, so we execute a program in intent to find out an error. So our focus is to find out an error in a program. So that then after testing is done, and always remember that testing takes a long time as compared to the all other phases. So suppose if implementation phase takes 3 months, then testing maybe take up to 1 year. It depend on the type of software, depend upon the complexity of the software. So testing takes much more time, and we test all aspects of the software in testing. And there are different types of testing also, such as black box testing, white box testing. These types of testings are there. And then after maintenance, then when we make all tests, then there is a phase of maintenance. We deliver the software, and then different types of maintenance are there time to time according to the new technology or the hardware or software support. We maintain our softwares, and if any error is also find out, then we want to remove that error in maintenance phase. So these are the different phases of a customer software development process, or we can say that software development life cycle. So this is a very complicated software, and used to design basically to fulfill a particular user's need, or for a particular firm or a particular companies. And when we design a customer or software development, when we design a best customized software, then these are basically user centric. They are not for the particular specific purpose, but they are according to the particular user or particular company or particular firm. So that's why they are called the customized software. Now let us take a quick revision of all the types of softwares. Software can be divided into two basic categories: system software and application software. System software are designed for a computer system, and applications designed for different applications that are used by a user. So again, these are divided into three basic categories: general purpose, specific purpose, and customized software. So general purpose application software basically used in schools and homes, and they are used by most of the people, such as word processing softwares, spreadsheet, database management systems, graphics and multimedia presentation systems. Next, these are next is specific purpose of application software. So they fulfill some specific purpose, such as accounting management softwares, reservation systems, and HR management system. These are the types of specific purpose application software. Next is customized or bespoke software. These are called the customized or bespoke, or sometimes it is also called the tailor-made software, because they are strictly according to the user's need. So that's why they are called the customized or bespoke software. What is the exact user's need? First of all we find out that, and after that we are going to make that customized software. So few disadvantages are there. First of all, the company will get the exact software that they need. That is the basic advantage, and the software will work exactly how they want to work. And the disadvantages, disadvantages are also there. First of all, it takes a long time to develop such a system. Second is cost is much higher than compared to general purpose and application software, and general cost is much more higher than general purpose or specific purpose. because all the costs are basically paid by a specific user or for a particular user or a particular company. And next is the company may need to employ a team of people such as business analysts, a programmer, or testers. So this is the life cycle of a customized planning analysis. First of all, we plan for a software. In analysis phase, we analyze the software in detail, and in design phase, we basically make a layout for the software. Then implementation means coding phase, then testing, and then after that, maintenance. So this is a life cycle of a customized software. Thanks for watching this video.